Hi guys, let me show you how to set weather wallpaper on iOS 16. So at first you have to open the settings, then you need to click on wallpaper to access this panel, and now click on add new wallpaper. Then select weather. You have to allow this app to have access to your location. And now you can add widgets here. So let me add, for example, calendar, temperature and alarm. And as you can see, smoothly add it. And as you can see, from now on, you will be able to current weather. You'll be able to see current weather on your lock screen. So it's quite gloomy in my place right now. So we've had here the clouds and it's all gray. But also you can change the lock screen and also the home screen from your lock screen. To do it, smoothly tap in the middle of the screen for a sec, and here you'll have access to all wallpaper setup. So now you can smoothly add a new one by tapping on plus, and you can also click on weather and then customize it. So this is it. As you can see, also the weather here is grabbed from your current location, and it's working just the same way. Just add and then select by tapping, and this will be applied. So these are two ways in which you can smoothly change your screen lock to weather wallpaper. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.